What started as a simple truck repair turns into a courtroom showdown filled with lies and contradictions. The plaintiff says he fixed the truck and never got paid. The defendant argues he paid in installments, but has zero evidence to prove it. Things get even messier when past police reports and heated confrontations are revealed. Judge Judy carefully examines every detail and quickly spots inconsistencies. The biggest twist: the defendant previously claimed the repair work was done as a favor, not for money. That contradiction changes everything. As tensions rise, Judge Judy delivers a sharp reality